Today I'm going to be unboxing these Teckin Smart Plugs, wireless smart plugs, an alternative to the conventional timer plug that you set up. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens. Thanks for stopping by the channel. If you haven't stopped by before, please be sure to click on the like button, the subscribe button, and click on that bell icon so that you can be notified of new videos. So guys, today I'm going to be unboxing these Teckin Wireless Smart Plugs. A great alternative to the conventional plug that you just set the time on to go on and off. These things do things like energy monitoring if you're interested in any of that sort of stuff, but you know, I'm not. But as an alternative to the conventional plugs, I think they're going to be good. They're fairly inexpensive. You can, if you've got home automation, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, they do work with those applications. Or you can download the iOS or the Android application and just set up your programs and all your other bits and pieces in order to turn stuff on and off. So I'm going to unbox them now, and then I'm going to go through a quick setup and just see how easy they are to use. So I've installed the application, and the first thing it's asking me to do is register. So I'm just going to quickly register here. Okay, there's a phone number there, and it wants my email address, so let me just pop that in a second, and it's going to ask me now to get a verification code, so I guess it's probably text that to me. So let me have a look, just check my text messages, pop the number in, and it's asking me for a password, so I'm going to pop a password in now, and there we are. So it's just asked me if I can access the location, so I'll allow that, and there we go. So I've got a button on here now, create family. So okay, well, it's just pick some names. I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing there, but it's asked me to add rooms and stuff like that, but that's okay. Let's just crack on with that. I'll click on completed. Okay, completed. Right, fantastic. Now it's asked me to add a device. So it looks like there's a whole bunch of stuff that you can add to this application, but anyway, I'm going to go for electrical outlet. Confirm indicator, rapidly blink. So guys, it's asked me to power on the device. There's a light LED that blinks rapidly. It says that the device has been found, and now it's just synchronizing. So it's asked me to put my sorry, I had to refer to these instructions after all, but anyway, so it's asked me to put in my Wi-Fi password, etc. So it's doing some kind of synchronization now, so let's just see what happens. We're about 50% of the way through that. So guys, it says here that the device was added successfully, if you can see that, and it's asking me to kind of give it a name out of the ones that it already picked. So for now, I'm just going to call this, I don't know, living room. That'll be fine. So I click on completed, and I'm pretty much left with that screen there. Now if I'd had an Alexa or Google Home, whatever it is, I could probably do that voice activated, but I don't have any of those pieces of equipment right now, but I will get an Amazon Alexa or something like that in order to be able to show you the voice activation part. But for now, I've got this button here. I've hooked it up to a lamp which is just about in shot here. I'm going to push the button, and there goes the lamp. Push the button, lamp's out. So again, at the bottom of the screen here, there's various different timer and controls and stuff like that. So you can set a schedule. Again, you've got the switch, you've got a timer, you can do a countdown timer, or you can create a schedule which says it's accurate to within 30 seconds. So you know, set a schedule for the lamp to come on and off. And the other thing is that what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off Wi-Fi on here. So Wi-Fi is now off. So this should simulate the fact that I'm connected to 4G. So if you can see that I'm connected to 4G there. So basically if I hit the button, the lamp's still going to come on and go off. So this thing will work remotely, whether you want to do it manually, if you just want to turn lights on when you're out, or turn a lamp on, or a radiator, or whatever you want to do, whatever you want to plug into an electrical outlet, you'd be able to activate that from home on your Wi-Fi or from anywhere where you've got 3G data signal. I'll turn my Wi-Fi back on. But yeah, or set a timer and the lamp or whatever you've got plugged in will come on and off. So yeah, pretty simple to set up. Like I said, you get four in a box here. I'm going to try and grab hold of an Alexa or Google Home or something like that and see if I can get the thing to work voice activated. So guys, let me know if you have any questions or comments. Leave them in the comments section below. As I said, I'm going to grab hold of an Alexa or a Google Home and I'm going to see if I can do the voice activation part. And you know, that's it really. So thanks for watching guys. This is the Teckin Smart Plugs. There's 4-pack here. I think they were about £20 or something like that. Anyway, I shall leave the link in the description box. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, please click on the bell icon, and I will see you the next time. Thank you.